Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak like Chipotle updated. Trim excess fat, score the surface, and slice against the grain after resting. Start by combining lime juice, olive oil, minced garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, and a pinch of oregano. Marinate for 2 to 4 hours, then sear on very high heat for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Rest 5 minutes before slicing thin and serving with warm tortillas and fresh salsa. Mix lime juice, olive oil, minced garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, and a touch of sugar for balance. Use 1 part acid to 3 parts oil roughly, and season to taste. Pat the steak dry before it hits the pan to ensure a strong sear. Heat your skillet until it smokes slightly, then add steak and avoid crowding the pan. Rest the steak briefly before slicing thin against the grain for tender bites. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to hide post-grill aromas and keep your ride smelling great after a messy cookout. It pairs surprisingly well with smoky flavors and makes cleanup rides nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, then pick one up if you like convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your pan until nearly smoking, then add a tablespoon of oil and the steak, searing for 2 to 3 minutes per side for medium-rare thickness. Resist flipping too often. One flip creates a superior crust. Use an instant read thermometer and aim for 125 degrees F to 130 degrees F for medium rare. Let the steak rest covered for about 5 minutes so juices redistribute before slicing thin and serving with lime wedges and chopped cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.